In today's video, I will show you again a very good 1-minute strategy which you can follow and trade exactly like I do. Try on demo first before you go into real trading. First, we have to select the indicator we need. For this strategy, we use two indicators. The first one is the CCI. The second one is the Keltner Channel. Select them and change the settings like I do. For the CCI indicator, I only change the style, but you can change it as you want, because this does not affect the indicator. Good. Now we change the settings from the Keltner channel. Here we just change the multiplier to 2. Here I changed the styles in for the Keltner channel again. You can copy them or leave it as it is. Now we have prepared the indicators, so we still need to change the trade duration. We change it to 1 minute and the chart time frame is 30 seconds. Now let's get to the strategy. We have to check two things. First, we check the CCI indicator for the line to cross the bottom of the indicator and then come back again to hit the reversal. Here in this example, I entered the trade not following exactly the strategy, but I saw the reversal opportunity, so I entered. Also, we have to check the Keltner channel. Here the candles have to show us a reversal. So focus first on the CCI to make the reversal. If this is done, check the Keltner channel for making a reversal, and only then you can place a trade. Let's see. This trade went in profit. Very nice. Let me show you the next example. This is the kind of example I wanted to show you. Here you can see the reversal of both indicators. CCI is going back up and the Keltner channel is also going up. Our sign to take an up trade. Yes, it's in profit. Let's step into the next trade. Same example as before. CCI is going back up and the Keltner channel is also making a reversal. Let's take an up trade. As you can see, it's again in profit. This strategy is very nice. Here in this trade, it's again not that clear, but both indicators shows that the price is overbought. CCI is going outside the upper part of the indicator and the Keltner channel as well. Let's take a down trade and see. Again in profit. Hope you guys understood how the strategy worked. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer all of them. Let's flip this account to $4,000 or $5,000.
Max B. Max B.
That's it. I will stop at $4,000, and that's the results. Hope you liked the strategy and video.